So you may be asking yourself, what is garage liability insurance and what is GarageKeepers and what the hell is the difference? I'm gonna break it down for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Taylor Garcia and I specialize in all things garage insurance. If you ever have any questions when it comes to garage insurance, please reach out to us below. So garage liability insurance and GarageKeepers coverage. What are these and why do I have both? Is this duplicate coverage? I have no idea. Let me break it down. So in a nutshell, garage liability insurance and GarageKeepers are very different coverages. And if you have a garage of some sort, if you are working on other people's vehicles, you need both of these coverages. Garage liability insurance is gonna be there for any type of bodily injuries that happen, property damage. It could be completed operations to where if the customer picks up their car from your shop and something happens after they leave, they come back and blame you. Completed operations is there. The garage liability is going to be there if the mobile detailer scratches the car as they're polishing it. Garage liability insurance is going to be there. If a customer walks in and slips and falls in your shop, garage liability insurance is going to be there. So the garage liability insurance is really important to have for bodily injury, property damage that arise out of your operations. Now the GarageKeepers coverage, this is where they really differ, right? The GarageKeepers coverage is it protects your customers' vehicles when they're in your care, custody, or control. So when you store those customers' vehicles, no matter how long you're storing them, it doesn't have to be overnight. Even if you have them for a couple hours and they get damaged while at your shop, the GarageKeepers coverage is there to cover your